Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to fix move iPhone a little lower higher error in Face ID on iPhone. Let's get started without wasting any time. So the first method is reboot or restart your iOS device. Restart your device can fix this kind of issue. So restart your device. For that, go to settings menu, find and tap general. Now swipe down and tap shutdown. Then slide to power off. Method 2, reset Face ID. For that, open the settings menu in your Apple device. Swipe down to see Face ID and passcode and tap on it. Enter your iPhone passcode if prompted. Here, swipe down and tap Reset Face ID. Then set up Face ID. Method 3. Update your iOS device. Go to Settings menu in your device. On the Settings, swipe down and tap General. Then tap Software Update. If any update available here, update your iOS version. Hope these methods fix your problem. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.